this was where we stopped. So for our practice, we'll be adding we'll be adding some files, image, video, and audio, and I'll be making the website look like the one I shared online. I'll be making it look like this. This is what we want to achieve now. Okay. The folder we have, that file we are working with, is crowded. Let's create a new folder. Please pay good attention so you can know how to create folders too. This is the file we are working on. Let's copy everything here because we need it. Select all, copy. Okay, let's open a new folder for it. New folder. Let's name the folder index.html. Index.html. That's the proper naming. Oh, sorry, that's a mistake. For folders, you don't use an extension. You only use extension for files .html, .mp3, .mp4. But for folders, you just give it a name. Practice. Let's call it practice. Yes. Okay, let's. Oh, they are telling us that there is a folder. Okay. This is our folder, practice. The folder is empty. Let's create a file to get started. We name the file index.html. Remember, we copied what we were working with the other time. We paste it. Now we have it here. Okay. Let me remove one of the paragraph. The paragraph that said learning web development. Let's use the one that said let's add images. Let me remove that paragraph. Let's leave this paragraph that says let's now add an image, video, and audio, because that is what we'll be doing. Okay. For those files that we want to add, let's export them into our TrebeEdit. To upload an image file, video file, and audio file, you will go to import file. Then it will take you to your device. On your device, you select the file you want to use. We need all the files here. This is an image that we'll be using. This is an audio. This is an audio. This is a poster image. This is a video image. Let's select everything. Select all. Now we have them here. Okay. Now let's add images. For those images, we'll need a title. So let's create H3 so we can use it to title the images. H3. Okay, that's it. For image, there is already a key we can use, img. Yeah, that's it. Okay. For audio, we'll generate the key. If you are using a laptop, it will be much easier. For video, we generate the key. This is the key. This is it, yes. Okay, for our content, we'll put it in bit. We'll space the video from the tag. We'll use CRS. CRS means the source. In between those two quotation mark, we'll put our file. For video, we need controls. And also we need posters. Poster. Yes, okay. Our video is halfway set. Also, we need it to have a subheading to name the type of video. Instead of writing it one, we can copy what we've already written before. Okay, we are halfway set for the video image. Okay, we'll put paste. Okay, audio, we use the same format to create audio like we did for video. Audio only need a control. Audio doesn't need what they call it, poster, CRS. When writing this thing, you should write it properly, because any mistake can affect everything. Any mistake. SRC means source. Please take notes. Our audio needs controls. Okay, let's now put everything we have here. We have an audio, we have our video, we have our poster, we have our image. Let's copy. Let's start with the image. You can use rename to copy an image that you want to use. You can pin the image file and then try to rename it. While renaming it, all you need to do is to select all and copy. Let's copy. We've copied our image. Let's copy an audio. Copy. Okay, let's now copy our post. Our poster we don't need to copy, is a short one, poster.jpg. Even to save us stress of copying, we can just use image dot. Let's do that. Image dot the file extension. Let's do that. Rename image img.jpg. Good. Okay. Instead of copying the whole music file, you can say music.mp audio.mp3. Rename audio.mp3. Okay, the next one we can say we need audio, image and video. Okay, video, rename video.mp4. Good. We've renamed it in a way that we can easily remember. So let's type it there instead of copying it. Remember, we are working with index.html. For the image, we have img.jpg. The file extension for image is jpg. There are some that are png. Okay, we have audio.mp3 for audio. We have video.mp4. mp4. For poster, we can use an image, so we use poster.png. Poster.jpg. audio.mp3. 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 Okay, the next one. For the image, let's add an alternative. The image there is an image. Let me show you the image. This image there. Someone typing with the help of an AI. So let's just call the image a developer. Oh, what are we going to call this image? An AI. Okay, let's just call it anything. Where am I again? Index.html. Developer with the aid of AI. Developing with the aid of AI, yes. Developing with the aid of AI. Developing with the aid Okay, let's check. Good. We have everything, but they are not well structured. Okay.